Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will do an unboxing of the Tudor Black BB58 homage by Saint Martin. I've been waiting for this watch for over a month and a half now, and for some reason things take a little longer to get to Ireland from AliExpress, but nevertheless the watch is here and we're going to unbox it. Now this arrived today. I don't know exactly what to expect. Well, I kind of have an idea, but I don't know what to expect, if there's anything wrong with it, so we'll find out together. I don't normally do unboxings on the channel. Just wanted to kind of start mixing things up a little bit, just to kind of get you guys introduced to new watches that I get in, or some watches that will make or not make the review. But never again, if I say something stupid, I'll just probably edit that out. But let's just get into the unboxing, and for that I will use this trusty knife that I got from my friend DK over at Watchtower Reviews. I'll put a link into the description box for you guys to check his channel out. Very, very nice guy, and he sent me this beautiful knife to do unboxings to kind of get me started into this, because I don't normally do it, like I said. Now, so this cost me, I think, around 329 euros or something along those lines. Again, I'll put a link into the description box with the place that I got it from. I think it's the Saint Martin official store, and you can tell that I haven't done this in a very long time because I don't cut the right plastics. So as you can see on the box now, for the moment, and let's get into the watch, into the box. Have a look at this beauty. I've been waiting for this for a very long time, and after having the smaller version, the Submariner homage, vintage Submariner homage, so the watch, just gonna put that aside. I just went directly in it. A couple of extra spring bars, that's a nice touch. We have a Saint Martin, so warranty card. This is stamped and signed, which is cool. Manual, which I'm not going to read, and a NATO strap. Now, I'm going to put that aside for the moment as well. Also a nice touch. The box. Put that aside. And let's have a look at this beauty. I'm actually generally excited about this. Yes, look at that. So I went for the cheaper version, because I think this comes with two movement options. So you get the, I think it's the Sellita SW200. Again, you'll find both links in the description box below. And this is the PT5000. I think I said that too many times. Now let's just open that. This is not coming off. This is not as smooth as I thought it was going to be. Oh yes, and ooh, look at that beautiful color. Look at that beautiful color. And probably the first thing that everybody wants to test. And this looks thin. Well, the movement is thinner than your usual standard NH35 or an H36 that you find in these ones. And let me hear the bezel action. That's actually very, very nice. Solid, no backplay, no nothing. And that is actually, I'm gonna say no credit to Saint Martin for the looks here, but it's actually a good looking watch. So there it is, guys. This is a beautiful, gorgeous watch. What's going on? Oh yeah, so that works pretty smooth. I think that this movement has a, yes, it's a ghost position, so this movement has a date option, and this is not it, obviously. I wasn't aware of that. There you go. So same thing as you'd find in the previous Saint Martin on the 38mm version of the vintage Rolex homage. So they kind of went on the same route. And what I can see is that they do this kind of, they use the similar movement. But then again, this wasn't a date version, so the watch that is homage didn't actually have a date version to my knowledge. But there you go, guys. This is actually very, very nice looking watch, and it's actually lighter than I expected on the hand. So far so good. I'm pretty impressed. And yeah, all the plastic. Look at all the plastic in the background there, guys. So much. But still, let me get back on the watch. This is a beautiful watch, and I'm actually excited to size it up, and I'm probably going to wear it for the next few days now. But that was it. That was the unboxing for the Saint Martin, so the Black Bay 58 Saint Martin homage. Make sure to click a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So again, all the links in the description box. And thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.